Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and okay. Today in this short video I will talk about acid, that is how to identify acid. You know acid is a very important substance in the science, basically in chemistry, but many of our students still now can't understand how to identify acid. So let us know how to identify any acid very easily. Okay, fine. So let's move the discussion. Dear viewers, by watching this video, I think many of you will be able to identify acid. You know, acid is very important substance in science, basically in chemistry, but many of our students cannot understand how to identify acid and what are acid actually. When they face so many substances, that is compounds or formula, then they first of all do not know which one will be acid. So by this video I will try to understand our students how to identify acid. Here I will talk about how to identify inorganic acid and organic acid. First of all, inorganic acid, you see, first I have written HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, then HNO3, that is nitric acid, then H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. If we observe the formula or the given formulae, we will see first of all hydrogen, and then you see for HCl chlorine, that is non-metal. Then for nitric acid and sulfuric acid you see and hydrogen, and then nitrate and sulfate, that is negative radical. So here we see at the beginning there is hydrogen, and the atom of hydrogen may be more than one. Okay, fine. And then non-metal or negative radical. So dear viewers, any student can now identify after watching the video and following that at the beginning there will be replaceable hydrogen, and the number of hydrogen atom will be one or more than one, and then just after hydrogen then there will be a non-metal or negative radical. Now let us know how to identify organic acid. In organic acid there is a carboxyl group or radical, say COOH. When they will get COOH radical, then they will be sure that it will be an organic acid. Now dear viewers, I have given you some examples of acids so that our students can identify and understand the formula or the compound which one will be acid. First of all, I have written C17H35COOH, that is stearic acid, and remember this is very weak acid and it's an organic acid. And then C4H6O6, that is tartaric acid, and this is also weak. And then C4H6O5, that is malic acid, and it is also weak. And then I have written C6H5OH, that is carbolic acid, it is also weak. Then C6H8O6, that is ascorbic acid, it is also weak. Then C6H8O7 citric acid, this is also weak. Then C76H52O46, that is tannic acid. Again I am telling C17H52O46, it is tannic acid and it is weak acid. And then CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, is also known as vinegar, it is very strong. And then H2CO3, that is carbonic acid, weak acid. Then H2SO3, sulfurous, not sulfuric, H2SO3 sulfurous acid, weak acid. And then you see H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid and strong acid. And then last I have written HClO4, that is perchloric acid, and it is strong acid. Dear viewers, remember sulfuric acid is called the king of chemical substance because it is used maximum amount in the lab. That is why it is called king of the chemical substance. So my dear viewers, today we have learned how to identify acid in very short time, and in the next video I will talk about how to identify salt, and in another video I will talk about how to identify base. So please keep watching our videos, and for today that's all, and Allah Hafiz.